Hello, this is M.Beier reporting for OverClocking-TV live at Cebit. We're now with MSI and we wish to talk about the new Lightning card. Please, Garrett, can you tell us a bit about the huge difference from the reference design?
Sure. Actually, we change everything on the reference card. For example, reference card only have like 4 phase or 6 phase, but we double the power phase. Right now it has 12 phase on the GPU and 13 phase on the GPU and 2 phase on the memory. And then we also use the best component. Here, this is high C cap. It's the best capacitor in the market, and we use on the GPU and the back side, right under the GPU, so it can stabilize the GPU voltage. It's for the best for overclocking, and also we have a SSC. SSC stands for the solid state choke, and it's different choke. With the competitors, and it will not generate any noise under the heavy load. A traditional choke will generate a huge high frequency bass noise when under a very high loading. Yes, and SSC doesn't generate any noise. And it's also better for overclocking because it has a higher current limit. And the last one is polarized. You can see over here. Polarized is a very huge capacitor, but it's much flat, so you can cool the capacitor directly from the heatsink. And it has a 1000 μF. You can see 1000 μF. It's double the capacitance than traditional solid cap. So all this component is all designed for the overclocking, and there's no same component on the reference design. It's only on the Lightning.
Thank you. How much have you experienced is for difference in clock performance compared to the reference that you previously sold a lot and still does?
For a reference, the overclocking higher limit is around 1300, but now we are almost close to 1500.
Okay. Also, another question related to that. The gain is about 150 megahertz. But how much is the difference in the price on the components used? How much is it useful for?
The price is about maybe $50 more, maybe. We have to check. The price is different between every region and the different retailer or reseller, but it's around $50 more.
Also, from the look of the board, it's viewable that the PCB is a bit wider. Can you please tell us how come it is wider? Is it because of the component size or additional components?
Yes, we put a lot of component on this board, but if we make it longer, it will stuck with the hard drive. So we decide to make it wider, so it will not stuck with the hard drive, and we fit all the component we put in.
Thank you. A further question. The Lightning series is a new idea from MSI and appears to be very popular, at least from our viewers, especially on extreme systems. However, does MSI intend to implant it on more series of boards, such as the Hemlock or the upcoming Fermi?
Actually, maybe many users do not know that Hemlock is only made by ATI and is a finished product, and for all it's the stand for all AIB, I mean ATI partners. So that's why we cannot do Hemlock for Lightning. So we choose the 5870 as our Lightning product. And as for Fermi, of course we will do our next Lightning series on a GTX 480. Surely we will do that. And we promise that we will deliver more and new and unique features introduced on this series.
Thank you. Reporting live from Cebit, OverClocking-TV. Have a nice day.